In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a bug in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's get started on fixing that pesky bug. When you're working on a project, encountering bugs is not uncommon. Thankfully, with tools like Jira, reporting and addressing these issues can be streamlined. The first step on this journey involves logging into your Jira account. Make sure you have your credentials handy, and go ahead and input your username and password. Once you're logged in, you should see the dashboard with an overview of your projects. Next, you'll want to click on the project that you're currently working on. Take a moment to locate it on the sidebar or in your dashboard. Clicking on the project will take you to the specifics of this particular venture. This is where you'll find everything you need: instructions, tickets, and that list of tasks waiting to be tackled. On the project page, your next stop will be the list view. This will show you items that need attention, including bugs, tasks, and other project elements. Find the List option, which typically presents various tasks or issues for you to review. Click on it, and you'll be facing a collection of tasks laid out neatly in front of you. Once you're looking at your list, it's time to give your feedback on the specific bug you found by reporting it. Look for the Give Feedback button or similar link. It should be quite visible once you're in the list view. This is your starting point for officially reporting the issue to your team. From there, you'll want to select Report a Bug. This step is crucial, as it tells the Jira system what you're about to do. Click on Report a Bug, and you will be directed to a new page to provide the details of the bug you've encountered. Now, this is an essential part of the reporting process. You need to type in the details of the bug, be as descriptive as possible. Include what the bug is, how it occurs, and any error messages you might have received. This information is vital for the developers to understand the problem and fix it effectively. But we're not done yet. Now we need to tick all the relevant options to ensure the bug is categorized correctly. Look for checkboxes related to the issue you're reporting. It's important to check all that apply, as this will help the team prioritize and assess the bug properly. After completing the checkboxes, look for the option that says Send Feedback. Clicking this button is what officially submits your report into the system. Once you hit Send, your feedback will be delivered to the necessary teams, and they'll begin working on resolving the bug you've reported. Finally, it's important to note that your valuable feedback plays a critical role in improving the apps and services your team provides. Each report helps refine and enhance the overall experience for everyone using the software. And just like that, you've successfully reported a bug through Jira. Remember, don't hesitate to come back to the system to check on the status of your report or to provide any additional information if needed. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you're facing another bug, just follow these steps again. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on fixing a bug in Jira. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more informative content and give it a thumbs up. Happy bug fixing, and I hope you have a great day ahead.